How to fix Airbnb cannot create account. To fix the account creation failures on Airbnb, you have to ensure that you are using an email or phone number that has never been linked to a previous profile. So once you resolve these duplicate details, you can go ahead and circumvent the digital blocks. Airbnb employs highly sensitive anti-fraud and device fingerprinting algorithms to prevent bot signups. These security checks can sometimes cause false flags for legitimate users. So what you want to do is turn off the VPNs or proxy before trying again. Then what you want to also do is open private browsing session to clear out conflicting browser cookies and extensions. You can also clear the application's cache and try to reinstall it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.